Yeah, I need to mute that. And no matter how much I listen to these meditative Gregorian chants, etc., it doesn't stop me from cursing. In the first video, I had said I have 19,000, 17,000, 19,000, 18,000, or 16,000. I couldn't remember. And all I needed was 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, and I got it. So I added the 3,000 to the 17, to the 18, to the 19 to get over 20,000 crystals, which is what you need. You need 20,000 crystals to open 10. So, how the hell is it that I continue again today from all morning that I was playing and opened a whole bunch of them to show people that they they steal them daily. So if they're stealing them daily, and I just won 8,000 a little while ago to add to my 17,000, to my 18,000, to my 19,000, how is it possible that after winning 3 fights in a row just now, all I have is still 8,000 when I just added three? So 3 plus 8,000 is still 8. I had 8,000 here and it went down to 6,000. So what the fuck is happening? Is that still an 8? Where was the 6,000? Right there, 6. This was 8 and I just won 2,000. So 6 plus 2 is 8, right? So the more that I win, are they minusing it from what I have? So here's what I'm going to do. There is something seriously fucking wrong with this game. I know that there is. For example, this thing here. 9. Oh, good. 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay, so I have 10 of these. All right. In each of these, I have 10 to 12 of those. Because I've been playing all morning. Look. Add it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I lied. 10. So I have 10 now that I just won, plus the whole bunch that I've been hoarding, that I've been saving. There's probably 6 or 8 that I've been hoarding. Now watch what happens when I try to open these 10. And I'm going to show it again. You know, people don't believe these videos and you laugh until it happens to you. Keep track of your stash. Count it because it won't be in your inventory. That's another way that they mess with you. They'll not give you access to a proper inventory where you can actually see what you have. No, no. You have to come in here yourself. Okay, I got 20 already. Good. I have 20 there. I'm going to show you something funny. So 20 plus 8 is what I'm guessing. But no, once again, I'll be wrong because look what they do when you think that you have 20. Okay. Come on. Come on. I know you're an old tablet. Now watch. It said I had 8 here, right? But that's wrong. I started with 18,000 again that I've accumulated again. So the 18,000 plus the 8 that I just won, how much is it? 12. Okay? 18,000 plus 8 is 12. 19,000 plus 8 is 12. You see the pattern? 8, 8, 8, 8, which is now 6, 12, 12, 12. It's a fucking game. So tell me, with your own eyes, you just saw that all I have is 8, and you're taking my word for it that I told you I have 18, 19, 17, etc., right? And you saw with your own eyes 6, but I'm telling you I had 8. But you saw with your own eyes 6, and I'm telling you I had an additional, to be conservative, let's just say 16,000, all right? So 16,000 plus 8, 2,000 that they stole, now it's 6. How much is that equal to? Now it's 14. Oh, look at that. So it jumped up. The 2,000 that they stole, see? 12,000 plus 2 is 14. So the 2,000 that they just stole, they put it back as if to make a difference from the 16,000 that I already had plus the 8,000 to add to that. So yeah, it's a fucking game. And I know it's a game because there's a joke within that joke. But they're playing games with you. It's not AI, it's not a glitch. It's them fucking with you. Well, with me for doing videos like this, showing beginners, newbies, how to move forward in this fucking game and how not to get fucked. You know how not to get fucked? Making videos and catching them at their own game. How do you like that? Now, how much did I say that I won? 10? And then I told you I had about 8. 6 to 8 stashed away, right? Now watch here, right? 8. Stash 8. 6 to 8 to be conservative. Stashed away plus the 10 that I just won on each device. Let's start here because you saw this device, right? Okay, let's look at it. Come on. 10. 10. So the 10 that I just won plus the, you know what? Let's pretend it's hiding somewhere else. Let's do that. Let's give them the benefit of the doubt that the 8 that I already had, 6 or 8, because you look at the number, the 6 and the 8 look the same when you wear glasses like me. So let's pretend it's hiding somewhere else. It's gonna shut off. Damn it! I know this is gonna shut off. Okay, all right. So let's pretend that it's hiding here instead, all the way in the bottom. I'm gonna give them the benefit of the fuck here. Nope, not there. Not here, definitely. Okay, because you have to pay for it. So what happened to them? What happened? You know what? Yeah, shut up and look for it. Here, 52? Nope. Because normally, nope. So it's here then, right? Nope, and then no. Okay, so see that? Okay. So 10 plus, let's say 6 or 8. How much is that? It's 8. The 10 that I just won plus the 6 that I have stashed away equals 8. Isn't that some shit? The 10 that I just won plus the 6 to 8 that I'm always hoarding on every fucking device equals 10. So they give you 10 and they steal 6. They give you 10 and they steal 8. Now, 4 to 7 star is what they're saying, right? 4 to 7 star, and then look what they show you. Look what they show you, by the way, that you can win. They're only showing 7 stars. And that first character that they just added is bullshit. Because no one gets that unless they pay. That one right there. Nobody gets that character unless they pay. So let's open 10, 20, 30, and then on this device, of course, 40. But what I like to do, which hasn't been working lately, I like to do that number 7. I like to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, see that? That's a glitch. That was the 7th right there. I should have let that one go. That was the 7 star, but I won't get it. And I'll drop it once, hoping to get that first character that they show. And of course, I'll do 3, which is actually the letter M for moron, because that's what I am, thinking I'm going to get a 7 star. So here's fuck you number 1. 4 to 7 star, right? Why don't they fucking say 4 to 5 star? Huh? Why? Here. Fuck you number 2. Yeah. 4 to 5 star. And fuck you number 3. So why the fuck put a 7 star when everyone gets 4 to 5 star? Not even a 6. 4 to 5 fucking stars. And then a fucking 5 star down here for us to pick. This is bullshit. And I'll end the video right there showing you that this is bullshit.